Welcome to the Introduction to Formations, Positions, and Numbers for our 11v11 side. We will explore the formation numbering system, positions, and the basic position numbering system. While we will sometimes call players defenders or strikers, we currently teach that when the team is in possession of the ball, everyone is an attacker, and when not in possession of the ball, everyone is a defender. Before we move on to formations, let's take a look at the field. It'll be common for us to refer to locations on the field in terms of thirds. Players' roles and responsibilities will change as the balls move in and out of these sections of the pitch. First is our defensive third, also known as the back. Then we move into the middle third, and finally, our final or attacking third. Formation numbering systems are described back to front, sometimes with the goalies listed, but more often than not because it is assumed that all teams are playing with a goalie. For example, here is a 4-2-3-1. We have 4 defenders, 2 defensive midfielders, 3 attacking midfielders, and 1 striker. There are other examples, including this Liverpool team from 2019, is a 4-3-3. Here's another example from the Premier League. This game was played to a 0-0 draw between Burnley and Arsenal on February 2nd, 2020. Burnley on the left in the red, set up in the classic defensive 4-4-2, with 4 flat defenders, 4 flat midfielders, and 2 striking pairs. Arsenal, on the other hand, in blue on the right, set up in a 4-2-3-1. It is important that as the game starts, players learn to recognize the opponent's shape and formation because it will determine possible strengths and weaknesses of the other team. Examples of other youth formations are 3-5-2 or 3-4-3. We have chosen to go for a 4-4-2 narrow diamond. The 4-4-2 narrow diamond is a more defensive shape that seeks to control the most important part of the pitch, the center midfield. In soccer, we seek to have numerical superiority in hyper-localized duels, for example 2v1s or 3v2s for both attacking and defending. We also try through our general shape to have numerical superiority in whole sections of the field. The 4-4-2 diamond, with its 4 defenders and goalie, ensures that in our defensive or initial third of the field, we will seldom be outnumbered. The back line comprises the goalie, the number 1, the 2 center backs, the 4 and the 5, and the right and left backs, the 2 and the 3. The narrow diamond in the middle third surrenders the outside edges of the midfield, but seeks to dominate the more dangerous center of the field. The defensive midfielder, the 6, sits in front of the back line and tries to close down attacks before they get into the final third. While building out of the back, they are vital to maintain possession through intelligent ball distribution. The 7 and 11 are not wide wingers of the more modern game, but midfielders that sit tightly to the right and left of center. The 8 is the attacking center midfielder, rounding out the midfield. The 15 to 25 yard diamond that is created allows for quick transitions between attacking to defending through counter-pressing from defending to attacking through quick 1-2 touch passing in a solid, familiar shape. The 9 and the 10 are our 2 strikers, While the 10 does have more defensive responsibilities, the 9 and the 10 both need to recognize that they are our first defenders. They need to press when appropriate and move a great deal while off the ball. The overall mentality of the team defending in this shape should be to get compact and stay compact. Nothing should come through the center of the field. The overall attacking mentality is, how can I use the shape of the team to break the lines of the opponent in order to create quality chances? We want to use quick 1-2 passing and off the ball movement to move the ball down the field. And this concludes the introduction to formations, positions, and position numbers for our 11v11 side. Players are expected to memorize the position numbers because that is the easiest way to communicate the roles and responsibilities of the players on the field at any given time.